Hi there, Emmanuel here. You probably found this video because you're looking into this Fxpremiere. You're looking for an Fxpremiere review, or you're just doing your due diligence. Maybe you found out about it, somebody's told you about it, and you thought to yourself, let me do some research. Let me see if it actually says, if it's actually going to do what it says, if it does what it says on the tin. So I'm going to go into all of that in a second. But firstly, if you're new to the channel, I just want to say hi. I want to say welcome. If you are enjoying the content and you want to see more of it, then please just subscribe. The subscribe button will just be below. Just hit the subscribe button below. Also remember to just tick on the bell icon so that anytime I do put out a new video, you'll be the first to be informed. And I'm doing that on a regular basis. Anything I think is going to help you potentially to make some more money online, help you with trading, then I'm going to put a video out there to make sure you don't miss out on that, and hit that subscribe button below. Also, in a second, I'm going to actually give you access to the people that I personally trade with who are 5, 6, 7-figure earners, and that they show you how to trade using only 2 very, very simple patterns. It's very easy to see on the chart, and you can get to learn that and see why we do so well on the charts. Get to learn all of that completely for free for next week. So I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a second and how you can get access to that. But anyway, so this is Fxpremiere. So what it is, in essence, it's a signal service. Yeah, it's a ClickBank product, but it's a signal service. What they do, they give you daily Forex and crypto signals and also gold signals. So if you've watched any of my videos, I'm not that keen on signal services anyway, because they don't give you that much value. It's just get in here, stop loss here, take profit here. Most of them you don't get that much. A high risk to reward with anyway. The risk to rewards are like 1 to 1, 1 to 3 if you're very lucky, and they're just not very proven. That's why there's just so many of these Telegram channels out there. Do you know what I mean? They're great for newbies because they think newbies don't want to take the time to learn how to trade, so they think I'll just follow somebody else. And especially if you assume that they're some sort of professionals and they know more than you do. But anyway, let's go through this site. So this is the site. It's like a bouncing site. It won't stay still. This thing here just keeps bouncing up and down. So, it's going to be a bit funny on your eyes because it's going to be bouncing around. But this is the site. Like, you can get their free service. They have a free Forex Telegram service and a free crypto signal service. And I've heard that the results for the free service aren't great. So I've never used it. And, because I'm not into these, I've learned to trade for myself, so I wouldn't use stuff like this. But it says they got Telegram Forex signals. It's accurate Forex crypto signals. Yeah, all you got to do is you download the Telegram to your phone, you join their free Forex channel, you open a Forex account, and then you enjoy trading with them. They have the free service, but then they also have the paid services. Now the difference is just basically you get more trades, and they say you get more pips. So for the initial basic FX signals, you can see it's bouncing around. It won't stay still. It does my eyes in a little bit. But yeah, basic is 37 per month. And you're going to get 2 to 15 daily Forex signals. Yeah, you give you the entry, the exit, and the stop loss. And they say, supposedly you get 24-hour live support. And they say that you're going to be making 1,600 to 3,100 pips per month. The next one up is $97 for 4 months. You get more signals now, 6 to 15. And then you get some gold signals as well. Again, their targets is 1 to 3%. I told you, it's very small risk to rewards. All of these signal services are tiny risk to rewards. And then they promise you more pips here. What's that? 1,600 to 37,000 pips. And then the highest package, this is the VIP one, the premium FX signals is $200 a month. For the year. You get more 8 to 15 daily signals this time. You get gold and you get oil, and you get 5 gold daily signals as well. Again, only same risk to reward though. 1 to 3, doesn't get much higher than that. And then 16,000 to 4,200 pips per month, supposedly. Because some of the reports I've been hearing, they promise this like 70% accuracy, but nothing's really proven. If they wanted to prove that this stuff worked, they would put up like a my FX book, so you can go and log into their results and see, okay, they're winning. But here's nothing. This is all you just take our word for it type thing, which again is a no-no for me. They have their own gold service, Forex and gold and crypto. You can get that for the year for a one-time payment of $500. They say they have 24/7 support. I've heard differently. I've heard the support is really bad. Do you know, there's no email support, there's no live support really, and I've heard that you get support on their Telegram channels, but then their Telegram channels is these weird hours between 9 and 11 Swiss time. Do you know, it's just all over the place here. Do you know what I mean? FX signals trading, genuine testimonials. I mean, who knows? Affordable FX signal packages, reliable signals, great results. You know, it's all just talking about great results, but nothing here to show results. All right. And then like some other stuff here. You can also become an affiliate and you can sell this. I'm going to talk about this Forex account in a second, but you can sell this as an affiliate and you get 75% of whatever package the person comes into. So, you know, this is probably why you've heard about it, because some people are promoting this as an affiliate. They're also trying to get you to open their Forex account, because if you open it and deposit funds with them, you'll get your VIP FX signals for free. I would be very, very careful about putting money into a Forex account of a site like this that has, I mean, it hasn't even got their address on here. So I would just be very, very mindful. If you're thinking of doing that, just be really careful. They're not regulated. There's no regulations. In fact, some of the places that I'm hearing that some of their leaders and owners come for are unregulated countries. You know, this is why they don't have things like MyFX books and stuff like that. So just really be mindful with this stuff. Yeah, and then this is the rest of the thing. The other thing here that really made me laugh here is that they say, who gives their Forex signals analysis? And they talk about how be very, very careful themselves, that you're just getting Forex signals from other Telegram channels that don't know what they're doing. But we have experts. Look, the Fxpremiere online Forex coaches have extensive experience in the industry, and each has their own specialities. But why can't we see a picture of them so that at least we know? Maybe we could go and do a little bit of research on them. It's just like, just take our word for it, sort of thing. So I thought, okay, let me even try and email them. So I went to the bottom, I looked for the email address, nothing's there. I then went to their About Us page. Again, nothing. There's just nothing here to tell you who are they, where are they from, where are they based. You know, if things go wrong, there's no email address, there's nothing on here. So I'll just be really, really, really mindful of this. And then I thought, okay, let me do a trust report, a trust pilot to have a see, Fxpremiere. So they've got 4.7. You know, it's almost all 5 stars. When you see that, just be, again, you know, it's very easy to buy these reviews. I think when the real ones are usually the lower ones, and this, look, don't trust this company. Don't trust this company. They started charging extra payment to my PayPal. When I emailed them and told them to stop doing it, I got scammed for $500. This one here, very, very poor customer service. I'm trying to contact them through email and send messages to their live Telegram chat, but no reply. Even they come to online after every 5 minutes, but they won't reply. You know, I'll just be mindful. Is this legit? Is this a legit company? All this sort of stuff. Do you know what I mean? All these sort of 1 stars. Of course, there's going to be 5 stars in here somewhere. Do you know what I mean? But are they really legitimate 5 stars? Who knows? Even though I asked them for 2 months to stop my subscription, they don't answer and let you pay every month. PayPal had to stop it. I mean, I don't like to hear these sorts of things with signal services. I don't even like signal services anyway. So if I was you and if you wanted to give this a go, I would definitely try the free service first. Do you know what I mean? I've got a feeling that these aren't even regulated. I think they're offshore, so they're not regulated. So that's why they don't put big things like MyFX books. I've heard some of their leaders have been in countries like UAE and stuff like that. So, you know, you do this at your own risk. So if I was going to do this, do the free Telegram stuff. You know, if the free Telegram stuff blows up and you think, wow, this is making me tons of money, then you can consider doing the paid stuff. But again, you know, for me, this would never work. I don't do signals. I'm not into signals because I don't think they give you much value, and you don't learn how to trade. I know some people just want to get told and get spoon fed, but when you learn how to trade for yourself, then, you know, you don't need this sort of stuff. And your risk to rewards are much bigger than 1 to 3. You know, you can get 1 to 10s, 1 to 20s when you know the right places to trade on the chart, you know. So, yeah, so for me, it's a no-no. If you're going to do it, I would say do it with the free Telegram channel first and then test that and then see how you go with that, you know. But if you want to, like I was talking about earlier, if you want to come and trade with people that are proven, yeah, 5, 6, 7-figure earners that aren't hiding behind the website, you can see them. They come on every day to these lives. They tell you about the strategy that I was talking about that shows you 2 simple patterns that's easy to identify on the charts, and that's all we trade off. You know, we call it the banker strategy, and they teach you that every single day. They tell you the charts they're looking at, the areas they're looking at, and you can ask as many questions as you want, and you can actually come and do this next week completely for free. Yeah, so this isn't a case of like, here's some signals. Come and have a look at where experts are going to be trading themselves. You know, it's not a case of support. You could talk to them on the lives. Yeah, you can actually ask questions on the lives and say, you know, I don't understand this, or whatever your questions are. So you get a whole week of this. If this is something that you might be interested in, then all you got to do, I'm going to leave a link below this video. You've just got to click on that link. And once you've done that, you'll be given details on once you've opted in, you get details on exactly what you need to do to start the trading. The training for next week and the trading. It starts Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 5 p.m. GMT UK time. And it goes on all through the week. So Monday all the way through to Fridays, and there's replays and everything. So if that's something that you're interested in, again, I'll leave links just below this video. But either way, listen, I do hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second. Just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think may get some value from this as well. If you have any questions at all, any questions on, you know, signal services, on this Fxpremiere, on our group, anything at all, please don't hesitate. Just leave it in the comments box below. All right, once again, you have a great day. Thanks for listening, and I'll speak to you next time. Take care. Speak soon.